I'm here with my good friend and a mentor of mine, Scott Manning. Today, we're talking about what he's bringing to the table for the AACP annual meeting. Scott, thanks for agreeing to come speak with us. I know your schedule is busy. We are honored with your presence at the meeting here in October. So I'll jump right into it. Tell the doctors here who you are, what you do, and what you're excited to share with us at the annual meeting in October.
First of all, thank you so much, Dr. Klauer, to be able to come back to the AACP and especially be given the great prestige and honor to speak at the main stage, okay, at what is going to be the most memorable meeting ever held at the great Notre Dame. I have to say I'm just humbled. And most of all, I'm coming as a servant. I feel that, I have a great reputation, I must say humbly, at the AACP. I work with so many doctors that were in a traditional mode of practice like yourself, transition out into just a full-time specialty arena, many wanting to do that. And people just, as we like to say, all cut from the same cloth, but a lot of mixed models exist. And so for me to be able to come here and share, I just am really appreciative of the opportunity. And I always find the doctors at the AACP and the organization as a whole, they really attract and do a great job of bringing business ideas to a level of clinical excellence that no other organization in dentistry does. And, it feeds entrepreneurial doctors, okay, with more strategies to be able to help patients in meaningful ways.
So in that, you also agreed to stick around for an extra couple hours and you're working directly with the team. For those doctors who are on the fence of bringing a team member to the practice, in a few words, tell them how you'll, in a good way, attack, challenge, and arm their team with stuff to make the doctor's life easier when we get back into practice.
Yeah, well, 100%. Well, first of all, I want to just give a big shout out there. If any doctors not yet registered, like, what are you thinking? Okay, like this is the place every year where they're bringing the best clinical innovations, ingenuity, technology, treatment modalities, everything in the entire, dental industry as a whole. So, we really owe it to the organization to pay it forward and to feed it back and to support by being present. You stand to gain, but we really got to stick together in this great genre of care where, dentistry, science, medicine sort of melds together. Also, the elephant in the room here is I'm not a doctor, okay? I always say that's good news. You got lots of brilliant doctors here you can learn from. And besides, you're looking at one in the mirror every day. So trust yourself. But here's what we know. Okay? It's like an unhealthy parent trying to coach their kids. Like you got to take care of you too. So you can only serve patients in so much as your business is designed to facilitate success. That includes financially. That includes for the doctor and the team, and then absolutely for the patient education. So, as I like to say, if nobody says yes, you're not making a real big impact. So we're going to work together to build a healthier business so that you can realize your potential, you can represent your authority, your mastery and expertise of what you know how to do that, by the way, nobody else does. And you owe it to yourself and your patients to have a great business so that you can provide great service and care. Which brings me to this amazing, when the AACP had this idea, I thought, wow, you're putting a lot of pressure on me. But it's also a brilliant idea to take the players on the field over to the side and give them undivided attention for us just to talk shop and really get down to the nitty and the gritty of the challenges they face on a daily basis. Oftentimes the objections or the lack of clarity a patient has that they have to overcome and help to expand their minds. So yeah, look, I'm excited to talk to all of you, but I really can't wait to be with the team. So that's going to be the most amazing thing. And it's because if we're going to grow the practice, we got to grow the people. And your team members, we're going to build their confidence muscles. And we're going to help them on more assertive and proactive, positive verbiage so that they can take the high road on education and really getting patients to understand the life-changing impact and not just the the band-aids and problem solving, but really the life enhancement and the possibilities that your practice and your specialty, whatever that is, your chosen modality, okay, of care is going to really make a big difference. So finally, I'll say, work smarter, not harder. It's real simple. You can learn all the bells and whistles. You can have all the technology. You can have an arsenal of clinical treatments, okay, in your quiver. But if we do not know how to lead and motivate people to invest in themselves, then, it's all for naught. So that's exactly what we're going to work on.
Well, I'm confident that doctors and staff will leave with a battle plan. We'll have to-dos and ways to enhance their case presentation skills, some marketing tactics, and really just to get the business better working for them to serve more people. So Scott, thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you at the meeting again. We appreciate your time and know that you'll deliver. So everybody get signed up. Look forward to seeing you all there. And thanks again for all the support.